Welcome to today's Ainslie Bullion news for the 4th of August 2022. Balance your wealth at ainslieBullion.com.au. Africa returning to the gold standard? Zimbabwe has begun issuing 1 ounce 22 carat gold coins as legal tender to be cashed in, used for trade, transactions and as a security for loans. 1,500 coins were released on the 25th of July and there are a further 2,000 in the pipeline. The coins hold unique serial numbers and are called Mosi-Oa-Tunya, which means smoke that thunders. This name is a reference to the Victoria Falls. Zimbabweans can purchase the coins with the local currency, US dollars and other foreign currencies. What will be telling is whether the gold coins can be used to pay taxes. If they are, then the use case for the local fiat currency will be even more reduced. One of the goals of introducing the gold coins is to reduce the demand for the US dollar, as Zimbabwe's June inflation came in at nearly 192%. The Zimbabwean Central Bank has responded by lifting the cash rate from 80% to 200%. It certainly puts the 50 basis points the RBA raised on Tuesday into perspective. In fairness, it is well known that the cash rate needs to be substantially higher than inflation to restore faith in a fiat currency, and it looks as if policy setters in Zimbabwe are more determined or desperate to rein in fiat devaluation than the board of the RBA. In their press release, the Zimbabwean bank has said that the original paper certificates need to be kept with the coin, and that the bank has the right to buy back the coins after a period of 180 days in an effort to promote a savings culture in the country. Upon redemption, the holders of the coins will be able to choose if they want to take payment in US dollars or Zimbabwean dollars. The RBZ governor, Dr. John Mangudya, expressed some uncertainty about how exactly the program will be rolled out, stating it was still early days yet to determine the format that the administering of gold coins would take. In particular, it's not clear how the bank would be able to force people to sell their gold once it has been traded, but we'll be watching how this cookie crumbles very carefully. However, they are not the only African nation flirting with a return to a gold standard, with Nigeria launching Sanu Coin, fully allocated digital gold and silver currencies which can be physically redeemed in Nigeria and the UAE. The physical coins come in 1 ounce, half ounce and quarter ounce denominations, as well as 1 ounce silver. The program is being run through the West African-based Kian Smith refinery, and they are seeking to build what they call a gold value chain to try to keep more gold in the countries where gold is mined and in the hands of citizens who mine it. Every avalanche starts with a few snowflakes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and balance your wealth at ainslieBullion.com.au.